Hey y'all, long time no see. I'll explain everything. Well, it's been a long time, and I guess you're wondering what this is. Well, I had the bout with COVID, and I was in the hospital for 23 days. So no editing, no filming, no nothing went on in 23 days. So, well, there was some filming, but we ain't going to share that. But anyway, I'm here, I'm alive, I'm homebound a little. I get out a little, and I'll video some of harvest, but I can't do much harvest. Not right now anyway. Yes, where I left you is we was fixing to start planting. And we're going to bring all that to you. But sorry we've been kind of low on the videos on uploads on YouTube, but you know, that's how it is. I do have all my planting stuff coming up, so be looking for that pretty quick. We're going to be hitting it Wednesday with a new video for you. We're going to be doing some planting. We're going to be doing some plowing ahead. We're going to be doing a lot of things. Working in the shop a little right up until I get COVID. And then we'll go jump right into harvest. So there'll be a lull there where you won't see the crop growing. But anyway, you'll go from planting, little bit of shop work, and then harvest. So there'll be a break in there, but we will get them to you. I'm in the house now, kind of sitting around. I do get out quite a bit, video some of harvest. My wife and my son is cutting as we speak, and we're getting across some acres. Got some real good hay to bring you. Had a very good year, summer, but just wanted to come and update y'all why we had a lull, and to let you know that, you know, we're all doing good. We're coming back strong, and we're going to be uploading quite a bit here starting tomorrow. So speaking of that, we better get to editing and get back at it. But anyway, appreciate y'all hanging in there. Appreciate the new subscribers. You know, we're over 650 now, so man, I never thought we would get that high, and I appreciate it. Really do. Please share, like, subscribe, and you know, I'm just a good old farmer boy out here at Eastern New Mexico, what I like to call West Texas. And I told myself if I'd break 1,000 followers, I'd go get me a drone. So please help me do that. We're gonna get a drone, and I'm in the perfect shape right here on oxygen to run one while my family harvests. Wished I had one right now. But anyway, we're on the way to 1,000. I appreciate y'all. And hey, here comes some videos for you. So remember, uploads Wednesday and Saturday. And stay tuned. Thanks.